Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1955 Chevy 210. Of course, you know, we just had another Bel Air style come in just like this one. This one has a full-on white exterior. I like to call it particularly the Casper car, seeing as that most 55 Bel Airs, 257s had a two-tone combination, but I personally prefer the white too. Other than that, you see it has the very nice trim coming down the sides. 55s always had the vent windows, as you can see. You got the dual side small mirrors, which I don't know how people actually saw of them. You do have the nice style torque wheels on it, front wheel disc, rear drum brakes, also very nice for the safety charm. Other than that, we move on to the inside, featuring a Dakota digital dash. As you can see, one of the nicest things about the Dakota digital is it is always accurate, following a tilt column steering wheel, aftermarket wheel as well, 3-spoke. It is an automatic on the 4 B&M shifter. Other than that, we have some very nice twin black bucket seats, following the back with full-on bench. I do believe it does have dual speakers in the back leading to the front with the Pioneer aftermarket stereo system. Not particularly what I'd put in this particular 210, but it does nice to have audio sound as well. Other than our temperature is running at about 195, 200, which is basically accurate for down here in Florida. Other than that, going underneath the hood, featuring a little Vortec motor, as you have seen from the pictures. It does reliable, and more importantly, gets the job done. Of course, as we're waiting for this one slow car, we can open it up. Might as well wait it for a minute here, since this guy wants to make a U-turn, does not have respect for classics at all. But other than that, we're going to pass him in a minute anyway, so what's it matter? Does have the horsepower with that Vortec. As you do see in the underneath pictures, which we will get you to the video in just a second, does have the tubular control arms, does have the Huss thrust exhaust on it, very different from back in the day, unlike the Flowmasters and then the what's it called, cherry bombs you see on most cars nowadays. Does have the connector pipe in the middle to give it that little extra breathing room. But other than that, it is time now to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.